everyone, welcome to All Things Fancy. I'm Jessica Dominguez and I'm back with another chic and frugal tip. It's been a minute, so I'm just getting back to it. So a lot of people have requested how to make extra money, and this tip is a little bit of cleaning and simplifying your life, a little Marie Kondo, what brings you joy kind of advice. So I've been a reseller on eBay. I started since probably the early 2000s, and then I started on Poshmark. I moved to Mercari, and I've even sold some stuff on Etsy. That was a really long time ago, but I recommend that everyone purges their closet, their accessories, their shoes, anything that is no longer in style. As we know, there's always trendy items that come into fashion every spring, summer, fall, and it's good to purge some of this stuff. I always say for items that are big items, just to try to keep them, you can always resell your luxury items. Like we all know, I have my side business, Fresh and Fancy Things. Don't forget to follow me online on Instagram, where you can always resell your Gucci, your Louis Vuitton, other things like that. Those are big ticket items. For other people that don't have big ticket items, or even if you're starting out by selling a small ticket item, I recommend that you start selling on Poshmark or eBay. Poshmark is a little bit easier. They do take a bigger cut, but it's very easy. You just take your phone, you take a picture of an item, and I will list and show you some of the stuff I have on sale in this video. You take a picture, you list it, you put with listing prices what you're gonna sell it for, and they take a percentage, which most of these sites do. So just be prepared, don't be shocked. So if you wanna start high, you can always start high. People send you an offer, or they will ask you if you will take their price, and you can decide if you wanna take their price or not. It's totally up to you. I do recommend that you not greedy about it, because just think about it. The item is sitting in your closet for such a long time and it's not doing anything there. So instead of you going to one of these thrifters places that you can give it to, or Goodwill, I'm not saying don't donate to Goodwill, but you can make money on something that's sitting on your closet. I've made, I think, like $8,000 on Poshmark since I've been selling. Another one is OfferUp. Now, if you download the app on OfferUp, you can also ship now, and they only take 9%, I believe. And that's a really good fee, because most places take 18 to 20% when you resell. So that's something else to think about when you're trying to sell your items. But go through your stuff. I'm sure there's sneakers, there's bathing suits, there's things, trust me, that you wouldn't believe. People will buy it. Sometimes I'm like, okay, no, nobody's gonna buy this. If you sell it for $5, that's a cup of coffee. If you sell it for 10, it's still 2 cups of coffee. It's still $5 and $10 more than you had yesterday. So get rid of your stuff. Sometimes I create piles. Okay, this I haven't worn in forever. This I haven't worn again. This and that and that. And I literally store it in my spare closet, and that's where all my selling stuff goes. And that's it. You just never know what's gonna sell. I have earrings and necklaces and belts and things that I've sold that were just sitting there, and you make extra income. You can create a fund for traveling, for paying off your credit card, paying off your debt. So just use whatever you have to start, and then if you like doing it, then you can make a side business of it, reselling. And it's extra income every month, every week. It's constant money that constantly comes in. So it's good, and it's nice when you look in your account or you see your app flash that you've sold something. It's exciting, you get rid of it, and it's a good purging and cleaning, because it's not good to accumulate things. And I, from time to time, find that I accumulate a lot of stuff. I still have stuff in my closet with tags that I've never worn. So it's always a good way to purge your closet and create space, and to constantly do this. It's good to keep certain items, like right now neon is in style. I did have some neon pieces that actually I did have on sale. I think I put them up like last year for sale, and they did sell on Poshmark. So that's good. It's like anything that's on sale you get rid of. And again, you never know who's gonna like your junk. Someone else's junk is another man's treasure or woman's treasure. You just never know. So don't forget to put it up for sale. So there's Poshmark, there's Mercari. Mercari kicked me off because I didn't follow the rules. I think I sold one item and I put stock pictures up instead of the real picture, and they kicked me off, so they blocked me off. So I don't really have too much experience. I think I sold one item and I was on it for like 3 weeks. eBay was the first thing I've been selling on eBay, I think for like 10 years or more. It's amazing. It's not as easy to sell as it once was, I think because there's so many apps, but Poshmark, eBay, Mercari, Tradesy is good. Tradesy is good if you're selling like luxury or contemporary items. You can always find good things on there and sell your items. I've made, I think, like a good maybe 10,000, maybe more on there. And you know, it's a good thing to restock. I sell all the stuff for my business through different sites. So it's good you get a good audience. And again, people will make you offers. Don't forget, don't be greedy. It's more money than you have, but also don't let people lowball you that your item is also, don't give it away, basically is what I'm saying. Because some people will, like if you're selling Louis Vuitton purse, some people will be like, okay, I'll give you $500 and the purse is worth like $1,300 and it's in good condition. Unless you need to sell it, then you sell it, but that's your business. But I do recommend that you do what works best for you and your finances. But don't keep your junk, sell your junk online. I've even sold books that I've been having in the house or that I've read or no longer serve its purpose, as I say. And when it doesn't serve its purpose, I sell it. Like I sold a book the other day, I just said, okay, let me put it up. I sold it for $19.99. You can even sell your textbooks from school or that class you didn't finish in school. Sell everything, try it. Trust me, it works. There's OfferUp, there's Let Go, but OfferUp lets you ship. So that's my favorite go-to online selling app right now. I have sold on Let Go as well, many things that are just selling in the house. I was in a car accident a couple years ago when I got all this stuff to use, and of course I never used it, but I sold all that stuff and I made money. You know, so